Weavy AI versus Freepik. Which AI design tool is better? Choosing the right AI design platform can transform your creative workflow without wasting time. Weavy AI offers advanced collaboration, while Freepik focuses on vast design resources. Weavy AI and Freepik serve different purposes in design. Weavy AI is a collaborative AI-powered design platform, while Freepik provides an extensive library of design assets. The core difference lies in Weavy's AI-driven creation tools versus Freepik's ready-made resources. Weavy AI is a cloud-based AI design platform that emphasizes collaboration and automation. It integrates AI capabilities to help users generate, edit, and customize designs quickly within a shared workspace. Designers and teams can work together in real time, streamlining feedback and iteration. Weavy AI's strengths include intelligent design suggestions, automated asset management, and seamless integration with existing workflows. However, it may require a learning curve for those unfamiliar with AI-driven design tools and depends on internet connectivity for cloud collaboration. Ideal users are creative teams, agencies, and professionals who prioritize teamwork and want AI to accelerate the design process rather than just access assets. Freepik is a popular platform offering millions of ready-to-use design assets, including vectors, photos, and PSD files. It works as a vast resource library where users can search, download, and customize existing designs. Freepik's strength lies in its extensive collection and ease of access, making it perfect for quick design needs or inspiration. However, it doesn't provide AI-powered creation or collaboration features. Users must manually edit assets in separate software. Freepik is ideal for freelancers, marketers, and small businesses needing fast access to diverse design materials without complex AI tools or team collaboration requirements. Comparing Weavy AI and Freepik reveals distinct trade-offs. Weavy AI excels in collaborative environments where AI assists in creating and refining designs in real time, ideal for teams managing complex projects. Freepik offers a straightforward solution for individuals or small teams needing a vast asset library without AI-driven editing or collaboration. If your priority is fast access to diverse design resources, Freepik delivers. But if you want AI-enhanced design generation with integrated teamwork, Weavy AI is the better choice. Both serve creative needs but target different workflows and user preferences. Choose Weavy AI if you need an AI-powered collaborative platform that streamlines design creation and team workflows with intelligent automation and real-time editing. Opt for Freepik when you want quick access to a massive library of ready-made design assets without the need for AI tools or collaboration. Both tools have unique strengths, so select based on whether you value AI collaboration or vast resource availability most.